Hi, this is Digital Femme and welcome to the YouTube channel OVRland. This YouTube channel is going to be dedicated to the project that the team at OVR.ai has recently pushed out a few years ago, and now it is hitting mainstream slowly. So OVR.ai is a spatial web platform. So what they have done is they have created or layered a virtual world over our real world. And what you can do is, using augmented reality applications, we can actually add these applications or experiences onto the OVR platform and interact with them in our real world, similar to Pokemon. This channel is going to be dedicated to all the new developments that's happening in this huge, phenomenal project, in addition to my experience being an OVRland owner. Yes, you can definitely own virtual land in the OVR platform, and how you can do it is you need to bid on land first. Now, I'm not going to get into details because that's what the channel is for, but if you are interested in the metaverse NFT, virtual land, augmented reality, and if you are an NFT artist or 3D content creator, then you would want to follow this channel. So please go ahead and give this intro video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to this channel for more updates in the wonderful project that is called OVR.ai. And once again, this is Digital Femme, and thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. Bye-bye.